Alright, Sunday afternoon, and I'm just, well, I think it's about 7 o'clock actually, Sunday evening. Just leaving. It's meant to have been raining all day and it hasn't been, so got that wrong again. So this is the screen porch. And then dining areas here. So I've really been focusing on the furniture today, just trying to get it uncovered. However, saying that, they do have a couple of, well, this is a really large set, the Mikasa English Countryside. And I mean, they've got lots of Lennox Waterford, all the crystals Waterford. It's the clock, isn't it cool? And then this set too, this is Noritake, the Marguerite. Really good condition, lots of pieces. We've got the Arthur Court pewter, Lennox. This is all Herond. And this is the De Rosa Rinconada hand-painted elephant, isn't he cool? And milk glass cake stand. Pheasants are cool. And some moving around in here. This, I could only plug this, I love that lamp. I could only plug it in there. So it's kind of, I've been layering the rugs just to, so no one trips on the cord. So obviously all the rugs are available, the runners, everything you see is available. Move some of the buyers there. Found this guy in the garage, isn't he cool? It's an original. And then the rest of them up on the mantelpiece. It's a fantastic mirror. You're right pain in the arse to get that down when someone buys it, but that's what it's all about. This is Lennox. I've never seen anything like this. It's elephants, obviously, blown. It's, I don't know if it, well, it says made in bloody China, but it looks, I don't know. It looks really nice. It's thick. Oh, there's the cuckoo clock. Showing you that it works. Up there. And it's got these like green, it's green through here. It's really green swirl. It's really pretty. We'll have the lamp. Giant ginger jar. Mackenzie Child stuff here. We've got lots of that scattered around. It's like an ornament. Pair of wingbacks. These big pieces of furniture are hooker furniture. Made in America. Actually made in Virginia, I think, Bridget said. Now, I don't know if it looked like this by the time we actually have the sale. There's another Mackenzie Child's pile there. Because we tend to move stuff around, so. This drop leaf table is really cool. Someone's asking about those birds. I like that dragon bowl, the greyhound. Look at the legs on there. This is Baldwin brass, and that's Virginia Metal Crafters. Great runner, more artwork. This one is now the library, I'm calling it that, / office. So we're going to hang this guy and this guy. There's a nice little leather two-seater there, Hancock and Moore. We've got desk area there. Doesn't that look cool? Pleased with how that came together. Desk, chair, stationery, and then we've got the swivel one. So you can choose. Kate Spade note set there. Brass, duck head. Oh, bookends. Couldn't bloody think then. And we're arranging all this lot. Keep the ladder for the while till we get arranged in here. And then that hallway there has changed a little bit. So this table is in there in the hallway now. Pretty cool lamp. Another Virginia Metal Crafters bowl. Hand painted glass bottle. Bathroom in there. Haven't quite sorted it in here yet. Obviously I've got that done, all priced, and then we're still working on this room. Lots of P. Buckley moss. We've got the kitchen, laundry area, put pots and stuff on there. Garage. Checkout will be here in the garage. And then you can leave. And you'll be able to pull up in the driveway and we can load you up. So that's got to be sorted out. And then basement. So we've got kind of several rooms in the basement set up. It's great. These are Icelandic sheep rugs. Clothes, a great run over Christmas. This is what we'll be doing this week. We've got albums. I mean, look at this. Whole room down here. Got the old Volksgraf. Sort of Thanksgiving stuff there. There's the Roseville piece. This is Italian, Asian on the butler table. Camelback sofa. Waterford, Wedgwood and Lennox Christmas ornaments. Virginia Metal Crafters fireplace tools. This is the Henry Link. Emerson Creek lamps. And I got this fabric. I was going to recover those seats on that set I had at the shop, but they sold so quickly I didn't have a chance. So I just thought, just imagine like this at the lake or the beach. This set. Recovered, obviously. I mean, it doesn't have to be recovered, but I would. You could use that fabulous fish fabric. Lamps. We've got lots of lamps that were down here. Just no shades, so we're on the hunt for shades this week. Leather side chair and this brass mid-century mirror. Isn't it cool? And then over here, we've got, you know, another table. We've got, well, with chairs we've got there. Doing like a kids section there. Stereo equipment, CDs, albums and cassettes. Christmas, Easter, Halloween. We've got the seasonal. This will all be sorted. Don't worry, it's not going to stay like this. Pewter. Floor lamp. Again, I've got to get a shade for him. It's all coming together. So see you Saturday, 10 a.m. Cheers.